Lead code 31, next permutation. In this question, we are asked to find the next permutation of an array, right? So given this number, we need to find the next permutation. So this is kind of like a odd problem to know, but the basic idea is find a decreasing a number from the back of an array and then try to swap the value and then reverse it. So basically, here in this problem, what we have to do is, so from 3, this is 2, right? So this is decreasing. So this is how the line is going, which is not what we want, right? So we keep on going until we are at the peak, and once it goes down, then we will try to reverse and swap and reverse it. So in this problem, this is what I want to show. So let's say from the end, we keep on going until we find a number which is just down, right? So after that, we find the next occurrence which is just greater than this number, swap it and then reverse it. Uh, yeah, so worst case scenario, okay. So 1, 3, going up, going up, going up, going down. Now this is the decreasing one. So from there, keep on going. So this is what we found. This is the small 4 is smaller, so we swap the value. So let's code this. So let's say I equals to nums at so len of nums minus 2. So while I is greater than or equals to 0 and nums at I is greater than nums at I uh, plus 1, right? So if I'm trying to find a number which is increasing and I keep on going, right? I plus equals to 1. And if I'm at the beginning of an array, then what happens is if I is not equals to negative 1, right? So if it is all increasing, then we just have to reverse and return the array. So if it is like this, then we find j equals to I plus 1, and while j is less than of nums and nums at j is less than uh, nums at j is greater than nums at I, right? If it is increasing, then what I want to do is j minus equals to 1, right? And after that, j plus equals to 1. After the end, what I want to do is j minus equals to 1, and nums at j and nums at I is swapped. Nums at I and nums at uh, I comma j. Okay, so it's swapped. After that, what I want to do is left equals to I plus 1, right equals to len of nums minus 1, while left is less than right, nums at left comma nums at right equals to nums at right comma nums at left, and then left plus equals to 1, right minus equals to 1. And we are not returning anything, we are doing everything in place, right? uh, while this is greater than or equals to, so we keep index out of range while I is greater than or equals to 0, I plus equals to 1, which should be minus equals to 1, right? Because we are going from the end. Okay, cool.